Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronica and let's cook garlic shrimp. So here is my shrimp, guys. This is a little bit less than a pound of shrimp and it is properly washed with some lime and it is already deveined. So I'm just going to season my shrimp. A lot of persons don't season their shrimp, they just use like salt and pepper, but I like to use a little bit of seasoning on my shrimp. I'm also going to be adding just some more of the lime juice. I'm going to be adding some more in the middle of the video. And here I have some garlic. You can't cook garlic shrimp without garlic. I have salt, black pepper, and just a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, about a half a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. I have some spring onion here and I have some dry parsley. If you have fresh parsley, you can use chopped fresh parsley. I have some olive oil. So here I'm just going to season my shrimp. I'm just going to add the salt, the black pepper, and the Old Bay, and I'm just going to combine everything together. I'm just going to mix it to combine everything together. And after you combine everything together, you're just going to go straight ahead and cook your shrimp. I'm just going to add some of the olive oil. I'm also going to add some butter. I'm going to allow the butter to melt. Remember guys, this is garlic shrimp. I'm adding the garlic now. You don't want your garlic to burn. That's what you don't want. You don't need your garlic to burn. So you're just going to saute the garlic for about 30 seconds and then you're going to add your shrimp. You're just going to add the shrimp, allowing them to cook on each side. You just want to separate them so they cook on each side. You don't want, remember, we don't want the garlic to burn, so we're just going to give them at least a minute and then you're just going to flip them over on the other side. So after you flip them over on the other side, you're just going to give them at least a minute or two. And then you're just going to toss them around because you don't want the garlic to burn. Remember guys, we don't want the garlic to burn. So once you see your garlic change in color, you just have to start tossing the shrimp and the garlic around. And then we're just going to go ahead and add the spring onion. And after you add the spring onion, we're just going to toss it around again. Remember guys, shrimp don't take a long time to cook. Shrimp can cook in 5 minutes. So you just want to add a little bit more lime juice and then we're just going to toss it around and give it at least 3 more minutes. I have been cooking this for about 6 to 7 minutes now, so you're going to give it at least 2 to 3 more minutes. Just toss everything around. We're going to add some more butter to give us a little bit more sauce. And after you add the butter, you just allow it to just simmer down for a bit. And then you just add your parsley and your shrimp is ready. Now I'm going to add my parsley. If you have fresh parsley, you can add fresh parsley. I don't have any at home now, so I'm using dry parsley because I have this dry parsley that I need to use. Look at that guys, beautiful. Look at that. Shrimp is looking so juicy and nice. I just want to eat. So that's it for our garlic shrimp guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.